When most people think of chiropractic care, they picture the click or a pop of an adjustment. While that sound is simply gas being released from the joint, the real magic of an adjustment goes far deeper. Because chiropractic adjustments, they aren't about just making things that crack. They're about restoring movement, balance, and communication within your body so that it can function and heal at its best. So why does pain even happen in the first place? It's because pain's a signal that something in your body isn't working the way it should. It could be due to a restricted joint in its movement, muscle tension. It could be due to inflammation or nerve irritation. And sometimes the area that hurts is the same area that's causing the problem. But often, pain's actually a downstream effect of stress or imbalance elsewhere in the body. So you want to think of pain like the warning light on your car dashboard. The light itself isn't the problem. It's there to tell you something needs attention. So if you smash the dashboard to make the light go away, you might think, better, it's all good. Because temporarily, you can't see that signal anymore. But the underlying problem is still there and it could get worse. So pain medications or temporary fixes can work the same way. With the quiet signal without addressing the reason but why it appeared in the first place. So a chiropractic adjustment is a gentle but specific force applied to a joint that's not moving as it should. And the goal is to restore normal motion so the joint can move more freely and without restriction, which reduces stress on the surrounding muscles and ligaments so they can function without overcompensating, and which then improves the nervous system communication so your brain and your body can better coordinate the healing and repair, which also then, in turn, eases pressure on the irritated nerves, which can reduce the pain, tingling, or weakness. So, in summary, it's when a joint moves better, it reduces mechanical stress and allows the body to distribute the load evenly. And this can calm local inflammation, muscle tension, which in turn decreases pain signals that's sent to the brain. And then over time, the adjustments can also retrain your nervous system so that it's less sensitive to pain triggers. And pain relief is often the first benefit that people notice from chiropractic care. But a reminder is it's just the beginning, because by restoring healthy motion and nervous system function, adjustments address the root of the pain rather than simply covering it up. So, if pain is holding you back from feeling or moving your best, chiropractic care may offer a way forward for you. You can call 6299-2660 to book an appointment at Provolution Health, and let's get your body moving and healing the way it's designed to.